Alright, gangy. I think this might be a brown trout, but I'm not sure. Nice one though, huh? Wow, yeah, I think this is a brown trout. Alright, gangy, first brown trout. Hanapa. You going?
Oh no, okay.
Is he there? Is he there?
Yeah, he's there. Here he comes.
See the stone set in your eyes. See the thorn twist in your side. I'll wait
Oh,
for
oh.
you.
Come. No, I gotta bite it. Alright, gang, Hanapa.
With or without you. With or without you.
Good one.
You give it all now.
Big one. Look at the size of that.
And I'm waiting for you.
Alright. Alright, gang. Nice one right here. Thank you. Alright, on the pot, gang. You got pass me the net. Thank you.
My hands are tied. My body
Alright, gang. Alright, on the pot, Marty.
On the pot. Oh! Feels bigger now.
Yeah?
Oh! Yeah.
What's that next one, Marty?
Oh.
Alright, Marty. Good job.
Hey, yay! Woohoo! We should have left the oh.
Okay, yeah, you got him, No? Yeah?
Yeah,
You got him?
got another one.
Alright. Just reel him right up here to the shore. Right into the shore.
Oh, it's a baby one.
Yeah, turn it up.
Oh.
Put him down in the water.
Oh.
Right here. On for alright, gang. Alright. Alright, gang. Alright, gang. Another beautiful rainbow. Thank you. What a beautiful morning, gang. Hanukkah again. Yeah. Alright, gang. This one. Whoa, he wants to go. Oh, jumping. Whoa. Nice. Ooh, that's a nice guy. All right.
Another big one.
Oh, yeah.
It's on the salmon eggs, huh?
No. It's on the, wow.
Oh, look at that one. That's a good one, Kenzie.
I think it's a brown one. I think it's a brown trout,
I
Marnie.
think it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, this gang.
Whoa, look at the size of that.
Keakua. Another fish. Maybe it's a rainbow. I'm not sure. All right, Marnie. Oh, nice one. Bring him right up. Pull him right on the shore. Right on the shore. On the shore.
What?
That's a nice one. Real nice. Wow. It's an awesome one, Marnie.
Ooh, it
Hold
is pretty good size, huh?
Hold him. No, in your hand.
Oh.
Oh, Hanapa. All right.
Well, I might have lost mine. Yeah, I think I lost mine.
Oh, nice one.
Oh no, I didn't lose it.
Got him?
Nope.
Got him?
Yep. Oh, yes, I did. Oh! Going for the rocks.
All right, gangy. Another nice rainbow. Right up on shore. There you go. Put him right down. All right. Nice. All right, gangy. I think we're at our limit here on trout. Oh, the beautiful morning. And as always, thanks for watching. Beautiful trout here. Alright, gangy. We got all our fish cleaned. Caught our limit again. Alright, gang. It's about 9:30. We caught our limit. Got some rainbows and a couple of brown trout, and we're gonna get out of the heat. All right, gang. We had a good morning fishing, but the last couple days we've just been giving away our catch to some of the nice people up here. So tonight we're gonna do a little catch and cook, make some fish tacos. Alright, gangy, we got our chopped fish tacos ready to go. We got some tortillas, fresh caught fried trout, cheese, sour cream, fresh guac, salsa, fresh tomato, onion, cilantro. Alright. Time to eat. Alright, gang. Fresh caught trout fish tacos.